and Carlos Gabalias, and we're gonna do something else. Yeah, whatever. This. Never mind about the pink earphones. All my other earphones it wasn't working well. Okay, so yeah, I am it. Bam, don't. Okay, don't. I'm making a YouTube video. Okay, so yeah. Bam, stop, please. Bam, stop. That's my little sister, Bam. Yeah. Okay. Uh, she's actually adopted. Stop being in the camera. Okay. Oh my gosh. Eh! Please stop. Please stop. Okay. Okay. So yeah, I already did something, and it. She still speaks Tagalog. If you are a Filipino, you better understand her. Stay away from camera. Okay. Yeah. Actually, I did my longest video ever, and it's in my Let's Play Battle Block Leader. Best game ever. I mean, I got the most OP weapon that Einstein had. You know, the frog going to water. Yeah, I got it. And also, if you hit that like, I will do the same limit challenge. I promise. Okay. Yeah. And then also subscribe to join the Combat Army for more challenges. If you need it, if you say something for a challenge, just comment me in the comments below, and also make sure it's not a girly thing, okay? Okay. Okay. I trust you. Just make sure that the challenges are not too girly. See you later, recruits.